This is so funny. You guys are in the trunk of my 4Runner right now, but it'll do. I'm putting my keys away. Let's change the taillights and the fourth brake light on the 86. I love the OEM look. I honestly like the boomerang when it's running at night. It looks really aggressive. I think I'd actually just opt to keep these for a really long time. I don't think I'll sell them. I think I'm gonna do the fourth brake light first because I think it makes sense that way. This is the fourth brake light and it's gonna look good. The car's a little dirty right now, don't judge me. Also, this OLM kit comes with a plug and play harness, so you will not need to splice or anything like that. They make it very simple for the user to go ahead and plug and play this. Okay, so there are 3 clips under here which will need to be removed here, here, and here. Luckily, you don't have to have the car on any sort of jack stand to remove them. A rock just fell out. Once you got the 3 tabs off, all you gotta do is pull that plastic piece off. There we go. There is a 10mm bolt on there and on here, which will need to be removed. Super dusty. We gotta remove this to do some wiring for the plug and play harness. This actually gives me a chance to mock up the new taillights, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. From here, we got 2 10mm bolts on this side and 1 on the top. Now, taillight comes off, probably gotta give it a little tug. This is my first time removing it, so. Look at that. If I had to clean this off a little bit, it was nasty under there. We're gonna wire this now. You can go ahead and plug in the plug and play harness. That wire that we just fed through, go ahead and plug that in here. Extra wiring can just be zip tied. Push that in. I'm just gonna hand tighten the bolt. And the new taillight, this is gonna look really good. Completely plug and play. Amazing. This installed for now, this temporarily as well. I'm just gonna make sure that the wiring works. Stop that. Dang, that looks so cool. One thing I did notice was why there was no little bolt thing here. All you gotta do is unscrew the piece off of the OEM taillight and put it into here before you bolt everything down, because I do not want water getting all up in there, especially with the wiring. The tools for that are included in the OLM kit. So I'm gonna bolt everything down now. The wiring is good. Wow, that looks so crazy. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so I'm gonna do some comparisons of the taillight right now. We've got the original OEM on the right, the new OLM taillight on the left. And of course we have the fourth brake light. This is the startup animation. Super nice, by the way. Go ahead and throw the hazards on. We got the regular brake. As you can see, there's an F1 brake function for the fourth brake light, which is actually amazing. Go ahead and turn the lights on. Now you can see the startup animation again. And I will turn the brakes on with the running lights on. These are clean. Like, these are absolutely nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other tail light on now. That looks so good. That looks amazing. Brake lights and fourth tail light installed. I really like the way they look. First impression, I like how it's flat here. The OEM, there was like a curve that goes into the turn signal and then out. Kind of like how it's flat now. The car looks amazing. I'm gonna go give it a wash, actually. Looks amazing. Outside Line Motoring, thank you guys for sending me these products. I absolutely love them now that I got the car washed and cleaned up. I took some pictures over in the area. The sunset was beautiful. A1 actually. First impression, day one of having them, I love these taillights. The smoke looks crazy on the pavement gray. Although I did want to wrap this car, these taillights make me want to stay gray. I think what I need next is this taillight. But baby steps. If you guys are interested in any of these products, I will link them in the bio. Outside Line Motoring, thank you again for trusting me. This is beautiful. I've never seen the 86 in this light, and it's really cool to see people support and I guess see my potential. So we'll see where this goes. Dang, that thing looks good. That thing looks so good. God damn.